Name of the story, The Wise Little Ant. In a beautiful forest, there lived a tiny ant named Andy. Unlike the other ants, Andy always dreamt big. One day, Andy saw Leo, the lion, relaxing under a tree. If only I were as strong as Leo, but I'm just a small ant. What can I do? Toby, the wise old turtle, appears and said, Andy, strength isn't just about size. Keep working hard, and one day you'll achieve great things. So Andy started working little by little, carrying tiny crumbs every day. Meanwhile, the lion simply rested, waiting for food to come to him. But then disaster struck. Heavy rains flooded the forest, and food became scarce. Leo, once so powerful, now had no food and grew weaker. But Andy, he had stored enough food to survive the storm. Hard work always pays off. Remember, strength isn't about size or power, but about consistency and effort. Small steps every day lead to big success.